Hey everybody, welcome to TheTechSpace. In this video I want to show you guys quickly how to actually go into CSGO and make your config files. So config files are big for CSGO, and having the perfect crosshair and view model set up when you play your game is very important. So what we're going to want to do is go to Counter-Strike Properties at the bottom, go to Local Files, and go to Browse Local Files, and here you'll see CSGO, the folder, and you're going to click on that. You can go to config, and right here you're going to see a file or any of these files that are actually .cfg files. So what you're going to click is maybe config.360, and then what we'll do with this folder is this file will actually copy it and paste it onto our desktop. So you don't want to take it out of here, just paste onto your desktop. I suggest opening it in Notepad++, but assuming you don't have that, we'll open it with regular Notepad. Actually, I can't find my regular Notepad right now. It's not popping up. So instead of opening it with Notepad, I'm just going to open it with Notepad++. It's the same thing. Same techniques are going to be used when doing this. So in here, you're going to have all this stuff. You're just going to want to go ahead and delete it. And this is again the one on your desktop, the one that you copied. Once you do that, make a comment. And to make a comment is 2 forward slashes, a space, and then whatever you want to write. So I'm going to put view model, and then we're going to make another comment and put crosshair. Now in these things, what you're going to do is take your crosshair from CSGO. If you don't know how to make one, go search it. It's really easy. You just go into a game and make it. Same for view model. You go into a game with offline bots and make your view model. You're going to want to go to share in those games, get the code, paste it under here, and I will show you what it'll look like. So once you paste it under there, actually I'll show you the whole process. So we'll go back to Steam, Properties, Local Files, CSGO config, and here's mine right here. So my view model is right here, so I'll take my view model code and I'll put that right under the comment section. And then I'll take my crosshair, copy everything from my crosshair, go to config, go under crosshair comment, and paste all that in. And if you don't know how I did that, I press Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste, and you use Control-A to select all. So once you have that in, what you're going to want to do is click Save, Save As. You're going to want to save it on your desktop, and then save it as auto config .cfg. Then you're going to want to click Save. And once you have that saved, you can close out your notepad and close out this. And once we have the screen open to what we pulled up from Steam, so you go to CSGO again. If you don't remember, you can go back. You go to this folder from Steam and your local files. You go back into CSGO, back into config, and you take your new config file that we just made, which we named autoconfig.cfg, and you just throw that into here. And I already have that in here, so I'm not going to do that. Actually, I will. I'll just go ahead, and it says move and replace. Of course, I don't want to move it because I don't want to replace this, even though it's the same thing. But that's all you do. So that's how you set up your config file for CSGO. The last thing that we're going to want to do is go to back to Steam. So close this out. Go back to Steam, Counter-Strike, Properties, Local Files, Browse Local Files, CSGO, go to Config, make sure you see your file in here, and then go to General, Set Launch Options, and put this in. So don't worry about this stuff, you're just going to want to put this into your launch options. And no matter what else you have in your launch options, this will work. Just put it at the end or the beginning, and make sure you put a space in between your launch options. So if this is the only thing you have, you're fine. Just put plus exec space and then autoconfig.cfg, which is of course the name that we named our config file. Then we're just going to click OK, and that's your launch option. So it'll launch up every time CSGO is launched. And that's all you guys needed to know for setting up your config file in CSGO. If this helped you, please let me know. And if it didn't, and you want to see a tutorial on actually how to make the crosshair, how to make the view model, let me know and I will help you out with that. So thank you guys a lot and have a great day.